I think I'm recording it right now.
Okay. Okay.
I'll upload it onto YouTube and send you a link so you have the file.
Okay. Cool. That
Yeah, not a
helps.
problem. All right, yeah. So hopefully you can hear. Hopefully it has audio of this. I don't know if it's recording our voice, but yeah, this is the Fresco Studio software right here. When you initially plug in, it will take you to this page right here.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, so all you got to do is go to import data from a Fresco device to build a new project.
Okay.
Um, we'll just get this. So it will take you to this. All you gotta do is go to this connection type right here, drop it down to USB because you're using a USB cable. Obviously I'm not plugged into anything, so it's not gonna show anything, but you'll see a list of, there should only be one device right here, and
Okay.
you'll just click start transfer. And then it'll pull the file onto your computer.
Mhm.
And then let's see. So when you want to export the file back to the Fresco after you've done your editing, you'll just go to the export tab right here and do the same thing. It'll show it and you'll just click export. Nothing too complex. If you make any changes, obviously click save. It's
Right.
you just press that and it'll save it. So don't really need to worry about anything other than this tab right here, the scripts tab for your
Okay.
specific setting. So this is just going to be covering how to change the colors of the lights of the rain
Okay.
effect. Making new effects is a little more in depth, and I like frankly it would be a lot more guess and check just about because I don't know what other effects you guys might want.
So, so are
But
we allowed to make new effects, or it's like totally on you guys?
yeah, you can. It's not easy though. It's not something I can just teach you how to do because
Right.
these are custom. This is a custom script I made.
Okay.
It's not like you can just click like apply the
Right.
rainbow effect or something, right? So I had to go through and make this giant script for you guys. So
Mhm.
basically, if you want to edit the colors, like let's say you want different colors on the raindrops. Right now,
Okay.
the only thing you have is white and blue. So the way this is set up is there's 4 different zones of the lights,
Okay.
and you see. So if I scroll up here, this is the actual this right here. Each one of these S's is the start of a new script. So
Okay.
this first script is the overall rain effect script.
Okay.
And each one of these steps is just starting another one of these scripts in tandem with each other
Mhm.
so that it all just coincides to create that rain effect. And now if you want to make let's say you want to make it be um, red and purple or something, or red and green for like the holidays, all you got to do, right, is you're just going to be copying all these. So just collapse all these. So all you need to do is go copy this, add a script. Did it not copy? I think I need to copy. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so you can't just copy the script. I guess you got to go to copy the loop. All
Okay.
right. Second. So this is 7, 8, 7, 8, 4, 11, 12, 2, 7, 8, 4, 11, 12. So this is the new script right here. All right, so this is just a copy of one of the other scripts. So
Mhm.
all you need to do is make a new set of scripts. So you need to make 6 new scripts just just blank new scripts. Right, so we'll go add. Oops. Just collapsing these to make it kind of easier to see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I have 6. Let me just count them. 2, 3, 6. This one. All right, so all you need to do is you just take one of these. We'll just copy this, right? I think I accidentally deleted the script off of that one for some reason. So we'll just go to the next one. So you're basically just going to be copying the scripts and then editing the color. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's all you gotta do is just copy, paste, change all the colors to what you want, and you're good to go. So right here, we're gonna go copy this. And then we go to 2. And we're going to paste it. Right. So now number 2 is basically just a copy of number 3. Right.
Okay.
Or number 4, I mean. So you just need to make a copy of each one of these sets of scripts.
Mhm.
All right. And then go in here and then select whatever color you want. So if we want red and purple, or red and green, like I was saying, all you got to do is go through here and just make sure you select the same color for each one. Right. You can always just do where is it? Use variable, no. So yeah, you can set up your custom, you set up your custom colors here.
Okay.
You go here and you just edit all these, and then we'll call this like red slow. So the reason that each one of these is called red slow or like blue slow, white slow
Mhm.
is you can see that. So I mean that one I've edited, so just pay no attention to that one. But this one's got all the white colors with a slow transition between them, and then this is blue slow, so it's blue colors with slow transitions, blue with slow transitions, and so on and so forth. But I can run through and do it like step by step if you want. But do you understand what I'm trying to get at?
Right, right,
Kind of
yeah.
complex.
Okay.
So you're just copying the work, changing the colors, and you're good to go.
Okay, so once I copy it, what happens to the older one? Stays there?
Yeah, they all stay here.
Okay.
So there's just a list of scripts here. You're just copying them, making new scripts, and that will not affect the current scripts. You're just copying and adding new ones. And then you also need to copy the first one, obviously, because this one, I said it earlier, but this one just activates all of these color adjustments in the right sequence. And this is the overall overarching rain effect right here.
Right.
And let's see here. Fresco. Went YouTube. Seen it. All right, so once you've done that, right? You've made your scripts. All I need to do is go to the rooms tab here. All right. Then you'll go, so when you go to the rooms tab, Then you're gonna make a scene. So the scene is what you're going to be controlling with the time schedule. So you go to the scene here. So you see I have rain right here as scene
Right.
2. So if you go onto the touchscreen itself, you'll see a button that just says rain. If you press that, that will start the rain effect.
Okay.
So if I go to edit here, you can see that it's called rain and it starts the script ID called rain. So it's going to start rain. You can start any of these scripts if you want, but rain is what starts all the scripts that are needed to cause that rain effect. So
Mhm.
you'll select the rain effects. If you have your own customized one, you can select the one you made right here. Right, we'll click done. And then if you go over here to the schedules tab, you'll just hit the drop down and go to night. Right here, I have at sunrise plus 30. So 30 minutes after sunrise, it will set intensity, sunrise, yeah. So it'll set the intensity for all lighting to 0%. So it just turns all the lights off
Okay.
at sunrise. And then sunset minus 30, so 30 minutes before sunset, it will start the red slow. I guess 1 second. It changed it. But yeah, this will start the rain effect at sunset minus 30. And then also at sunset minus 30, it will turn all the lights on. So I just have the all lights to 100% at sunset minus 30, so the lights turn on and then the rain effect starts. So as long as you're emulating the settings that I've applied with whatever colors you want to adjust,
Okay.
you should be in the green. All right.
Do you think like minus 30, sunset minus 30 is like a bit longer? Or it's okay?
Do I think of what?
No, like I think like minus 30, like sunset minus 30, it's a bit longer. Because nowadays, like it's like well, as soon as the sun goes down, it's like already dark. Then you have to wait for another 30 minutes, right?
No. So it's minus 30. So it's 30 minutes before the sun sets.
Oh, before the sunset, got you. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
cool then. Is there a way, like when I do some editing, is there a
Hmm?
way to preview on the software that to test if it's working properly?
You're not gonna see a like there's no visual effect in the software.
Mm.
So all you got to do is upload it to the Fresco,
Okay.
and then as long as you have the scene applied in here. So if you go into edit and you select the scene that you want, script activation. There you go, script activation, and we'll go to script ID. Go to blue slow 3, right? This is now controlling the blue, like this is controlling the blue slow 3 script that I've made.
Okay.
So if I call it blue slow 3, now if I go to the Fresco, there's just going to be a button on the main page that says blue slow 3. And if I
Mm.
press that, it will activate that scene.
Okay.
So you can test it that way manually.
Okay.
But in the software, there's no way to see what it's going to look like.
Mm.
It's kind of a guess and check deal if you're going to make anything customized from here. I'm sorry if this seems a little complex. Not complex, just like a little
It's just like new to me, but
convoluted. It's new, it's convoluted, it's weird, yeah. So if you like, if you have any questions, like when you're gonna do like if you're gonna do this at some point, you feel free to contact me about it,
right, absolutely. Yeah.
and I can walk you through it a little bit, answer any questions you might have. But this is just like a little startup training, I guess, for you guys.
Okay.
So it's nothing too complex. Once you actually get in the software and get your hands on it,
Right.
it's very straightforward.
Right.
like I
Yeah,
said,
I'll just ask Mark if he need us to like do any changes, anything or stuff. If he
no,
says yeah,
they haven't requested any changes yet. They just wanted to know how to do it.
okay. No,
So
if I if,
basically all they want to do, from what I've heard, is that they just want this rain effect that's already applied, already working. But the only thing they want to do is just change what colors the rain effect is. And sadly, it's not just like a one. I can't just like push a button and it changes the colors. You have to
right,
like you have to recreate new scripting for it. Uh, and it's nothing too hard. All you got to do is just go in, copy my scripts,
mhm,
edit the colors into whatever you want them to be, and then apply them as they are. As long as you're doing it like that, we should be good to go. And as long as you're like saving a backup, just always like make a copy, save a backup just in case you
right.
edit something and you don't like it,
Mhm.
right? Maybe you mess it up, should be
Yeah.
good to go. Just let me give you my phone number. I'll type it into the chat real quick.
Okay. Yeah, that helps too.
619-259-6. So that's my phone number. That's my cell. You can reach me whenever. Just let me know who you are because I get a lot of phone calls from a lot of different
Right,
people.
right.
And if you're gonna do it, just give me a little bit heads up, and I'll set aside some time to walk you guys through when you actually
Right.
get your hands on it.
Okay. So is there a way you guys
Mhm.
can remote into the system or no?
No, I can't log in. It's not connected
You
to the
can.
internet.
Oh, it's not an internet. Okay. So basically, if we ask for a change, we have to do it, and then maybe you can walk us through if that's correct or not.
Yeah, I'll walk you through it once. Like I'll walk you through it one time when you get on it.
Okay. Let me save your
Um,
number real quick.
like I said, if you have any questions, just reach out to me and I'll answer anything you got. Um, that should be everything you guys need to know. There's nothing really outside of what we talked about.
Okay.
It's pretty straightforward. Like there's no other lighting on that system other than that exterior wall lighting. So that's all it's going to be controlling.
And that lighting is outside where the Yamaha logo is, right? Right under, right?
No. It's on the wall it's on the side that faces the casino entrance, like where you drive into the site.
Right.
I don't know what to call it. Yeah, but like when you drive onto the property, like the main entrance, you can see it from that side.
Yeah. So the Yamaha logo is right on the top and underneath that one, right? On the building.
Isn't that by the front entrance?
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not by the front entrance. It's this lighting is on the side of the building, not on the front.
Hmm. Maybe you have a picture of it by chance?
Yeah, I do. 1 second.
I'm texting you my number.
No, I don't. 1 second. Don't need to do that. New share screen one. You guys able to see my YouTube page?
Uh, yeah, yeah, that's the one I was looking. Yeah.
Mhm.
So right on the top, there's a Yamaha logo.
Oh, okay. I guess I just never saw it.
Yeah, like where the your raindrop starts, right there is a Yamaha logo right on the top.
Okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like.
You see the black spots over there? That's where the logo is.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So yeah, I talked to Mark more about it, and if he wants us to like do any changes like constantly, then I might just land the software and we can go from there.